Said I need a real one. Tired of the cake and the silicone. Said I need a real one. Forget perfection, I love bumpy roads. Said I need a real one.
So I am fresh out of the shower. As you can see, my hair is still wet. Well, maybe you can see, I'm not sure. I haven't detangled it. So originally I wanted to show you guys the process in the shower of me rinsing out my hair and just doing that whole routine. But for the life of me, I could not figure out how to get my camera to stop fogging up, like the lens, from the heat and the condensation and all that. It just wasn't working. So I got whatever footage I could that you guys just saw, and now we're here. I took my braids out and then I parted my hair into 4 sections. And then I put this product in my hair, on my scalp, on the roots, on the ends, just everywhere. I completely coated my hair with this. And this is the ORS Olive Oil Professional Replenishing Conditioner. For those of you who don't know, this is the conditioner that used to come in those little packets in the relaxer kits for organic root stimulators. So I had to get my hands on this big bottle. I coated my hair in this after parting it in 4 sections, and then I put a shower cap on. I let it sit overnight as like a deep conditioner, but really I was supposed to rinse it out in the morning, and it's like 3 o'clock now. I rinsed out my hair and then I went ahead with my shampoo, and I only focused on my scalp. So the shampoo that I used, the brand, it's by CVS Health, and this is the Itchy Scalp Dandruff Shampoo and Conditioner. So it's a 2-in-1, and this is the generic brand for the Head and Shoulders 2-in-1 Itchy Scalp Care. It just costs way less. This is where we're at. Okay, so now I'm about to go ahead and add my second conditioning treatment, and this is by, y'all, I can't talk right now. This is by the brand The Main Choice. I'm sure a lot of you guys are familiar with this brand. Their products are really, really good. So this is the Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection. This is the Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier 5-minute Reviving Mask, infused with biotin and vitamin D and E. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this in my hair. It smells just like pink lemonade. It's so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this in my hair now, and this is just a 5-minute treatment, so I'm gonna leave it in for 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and part this into 4 sections again, and I'll just record that for you guys to see, but I'll speed it up. I'm not doing anything special. I'm just putting this in from root to the ends, and of course sectioning my hair, because that's the only way I can properly apply any type of product to my hair. Okay guys, so honestly, I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. It's been about 2 days since I had that conditioner in my hair. So last time you guys saw, I put in the Main Choice 5-minute reviving hair mask, and I just got tired, and the rest was history from there. So I literally just rinsed out my hair, and this is where we're at. I haven't detangled, combed it out, brushed it out. I haven't done anything, put any product in it as of yet. It's starting to dry a little bit, but when I put my hands through my roots, I can feel that it's still damp, and there's still some water running down my neck. So actually I'm not gonna be wearing my hair natural This week I'm actually about to get it braided again, just some cornrows going straight back. I do have a lot of promo videos coming up, so you guys stay tuned. I have some hair reviews to do on some wigs, some bundles, so I need my hair braided for that. My hair is really soft. It's very, very, very soft. It almost feels kind of moisturized even though there's no product in there, so I'm really happy about that. And I can tell it's not gonna take too much work to detangle my hair. So I'm just gonna do a quick spin around, a close up, so you guys can see my natural hair fresh out of the shower. And then I'm gonna show you guys some more natural hair care products that I've been using over the past few months that have been working really, really well for me. And yeah, so this is where we're at. Like I said, I don't have any product in there, so my curls aren't really defined like that. They're not defined, and I haven't combed it out or detangled it, so it'll get bigger. Split it so you guys can see. But yeah, this is what we're looking like. This is what we're looking like right now. The next product that I have to show you that I've been using these past few months is again from the Main Choice. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm not sure, but this is the product, and this is a part of, again, the Pink Lemonade and Coconut collection. This is the Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Curl Boosting Sorbet. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. This is what I've been using. It's in the same collection as the 5-minute revitalizing hair mask that I just used and rinsed out. They smell amazing, y'all. Like, they smell literally just like pink lemonade. It smells so good. So this is just a curl defining leave-in cream, and oh god, it smells like a dessert. Like, it just smells so good. But yeah, this I got from Ross. I have been getting my Main Choice products from Ross, you guys. Yes, Ross Dress for Less. I go in the section where they have like hair care products and cosmetics, and you will find some natural hair care products. These usually run like $10, $15, $20 in the beauty supply stores, I think in some Walmarts or whatnot. But I get mine from Ross. When I find them at Ross or Burlington, you can find Main Choice products for like half the price. So I be getting them for like $6.99, $7.99, $8.99, which is way better than $15. Now don't get me wrong, it's worth the $15. Like, the products are really, really good. But I mean, if you can get it for half the price, why not, you know? So the next product I'm gonna show you guys, it's by Aphogee. This is like a classic. This has been around since forever, okay? I'm sure you guys already know about this one. This right here is the Aphogee Keratin and Green Tea Restructurizer. I can't talk. The Restructurizer Spray. That's a good tongue twister. But yes, this strengthens, instantly builds body, protects color and chemical services. So it's best to use this when your hair is damp. So I am going to spray this in my hair and then apply my leave-in conditioning cream slash detangling cream and detangle my hair at the end of this video. But as you can see, it's all the way down here. I be using this product every time I wash my hair. I use this product. Like, it's really, really good. So the next 3 products that I'll be showing you are by the brand Aunt Jackie's. Most of us are familiar with this brand. So the first product is this. Again, I got this from Ross, but you can find these in your local beauty supply store. So this is the Aunt Jackie's Natural Growth Oil Blends collection. This one in particular is grapeseed and avocado. It's enriched with coconut, and it helps to improve porosity level, moisture balance, and it's an excellent pre-poo treatment, you guys. So it has no mineral oil and no petroleum, which is great. The retail value price is $5, so I'm guessing that's the price that you can really find it for in your beauty supply stores and other places. But at Ross, as you can see, I got it for $2.99. Okay, I love this product so much. This is the Aunt Jackie's. This is a part of the flaxseed recipes. Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. Y'all, let me tell you about this product. I have been working so hard on stretching my curls, and I have a lot of shrinkage, like a lot. I have a lot of shrinkage, but it has been working. Like my hair, my curls have been stretching. So whenever I do certain hairstyles and it's not like in a bun and I have my hair out, like in a ponytail, or you know, I might have a little headband on and my hair is just out, and I want my curls like defined. I really like my curl pattern and I want to show that off sometimes. First of all, it smells really good. It's like a gel. As you can see, I've been using it a lot. I got this. I got this from my local beauty supply store for $7.99. And it's a pretty big tub. Like, this is 15 ounces right here, so a little bit goes a long way. And I apply all through my hair, or on the ends of the hair that's out that I want defined, and then I use it with my Denman brush. Excuse it, it's dirty, but I use it with my Denman brush, and y'all, it just, my curls instantly snatched. They last for hours. They don't start to dry up or shrink, so it's perfect. It's enriched with flaxseed and wheat protein. Flaxseed is rich in omega fatty acids. It promotes hair health from the inside out and helps prevent dryness and flaking. I really like the fact that this gel right here, this product, it does not leave your hair dry, crunchy, flaky. You don't see product residue. Like, it's really good. So you need to get this. If you are working on stretching your curls, elongating your curls, really good curl defining products, this is it right here. And it really helps with detangling too. So the last product from Aunt Jackie's, this is the Aunt Jackie's. Again, this is a part of the flaxseed recipes. This is the Curl Maintenance Anti-Poof Defining Curl Whip. And this is a cream that is enriched with flaxseed, argan oil, shea butter, and mango butter, and it helps to smooth, define dry, frizzy hair. So this is what it looks like. Again, I got this from my local beauty supply store for $7.99, and it is 15 ounces, so it's a pretty big tub. As you can see, you get a lot of product. It smells pretty good. So that's what it looks like. Not sure. There you go. That's what it looks like. It's really creamy, not too thick, not too thin and runny. It really helps with detangling my hair, you guys, and again, defining my curls. So this is the trick that I've been using, right? When I want my curls popping and defined and stretched for like hours or like the whole day, this combination right here, the flaxseed gel, the flaxseed elongating curling gel with the curl maintenance defining curl whip. These two products together, this is it. This is it. Like, this duo is meant to be together. It's amazing, and I use a lot, and there's a lot left, and the price is pretty good. $7.99 for a 15-ounce tub. You know, a little bit goes a long way, so that's perfect. So I definitely highly recommend getting these products. But this is another classic product that has been around for, as they say, over 30 years. So I'm sure everybody knows about this product. This is the Wild Growth Hair Oil. I'm missing the little top red cap, and what I love about it, it's all natural. It just has the natural oils in this bottle, and that's it. No extra additives, preservatives, fillers, none of that. Like, this stuff is good. Okay, so just a few of the oils that it has: coconut, olive oil, jojoba oil, rice bran, cocoa butter, pomegranate rose hip, pumpkin seed, extracts of mushroom, chickpea, lentil, cocoa mass, sesame seed, sage, eucalyptus, grapefruit, lavender, peppermint. Like, the oils in this, it's amazing. When you pour it out, it comes out kind of like a dark brown. The smell is a little bit strong, so I normally use this at night, and I use it on my scalp or any problem areas that I have that might seem like they're kind of thinning out. I use it along my hairline to help thicken and keep my edges flourishing, especially with wigs, y'all. This product right here is it. This is like $7.99 at my local beauty supply store. It is so good. Like, I always make sure that I have a bottle of Wild Growth hair oil on me. As this is the product that I'll be using to detangle my hair today, the main product, because I have to go get my hair braided like now. So this is the Aunt Jackie's Not on My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy This is enriched with shea butter and olive oil, and it helps to soften, restore moisture balance, eliminates knots and tangles. So for all my girls out there with really thick hair, who have problems with detangling your hair, if you're super tender-headed and you love products that smell good, y'all, get this product. So I'll show you the close-up. The retail price, I'm not too sure. I'm thinking the retail price is like $5.99, $6.99, $7.99. Don't quote me on it. But I got this from Ross for $3.99, y'all. $3.99, okay? It smells really good. And I'm gonna show you the consistency of it now since I'm about to use it. It's like not thick like a butter or like the Curl Whip creams. It's pretty thin, like, see, I just rubbed it into my hands. It's really thin, but it's like, you feel the slip already on your hands. Like, it just feels really good. And it smells really good too. So I'm just gonna be putting that throughout my hair. I'm not gonna put too much because, like I said, I'm gonna get my hair braided. And my hair is already pretty, it feels really detangled already from the Main Choice 5-minute revitalizing conditioning treatment that I used and had in my head for the past 48 hours. So as you guys can see, my hair is huge. It is huge. Add a little bit more in the back. I'm not trying to put too much product in there because I want to hurry up and dry this too. So yeah, I'm gonna try. I know you guys are probably looking like, oh my god, this girl is detangling her hair when it's dry. I promise you it is actually wet. You guys might notice that it looks a little bit different right now, but my camera memory card is full and I used up both of them recording. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and end this video, but I'm just gonna keep detangling my hair. I'm not about to do anything special to it, honestly. I'm just going to get it braided like right now. So I'm gonna get my hair braided. Again, I'm sorry for the switch up of the camera and how it looks, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I look crazy right now, but it's all for you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like the products that I showed. Comment down below what you guys want to see next on my channel. Turn on that post notification bell so you know the next time I got another video dropping, and subscribe if you haven't joined the Vibes family already, and say bye to my baby, y'all. Aww. Alright guys,